I think, in a way, sound effects are the poor man's visual effects, because you don't need to learn how to use any fancy platform to add sound effects. It's literally there's a sound, you place it where the action matches that sound, and you're done. So there's nothing crazy going on there. If you're editing video, you can definitely do that, and doing that, taking the time to add, whether it's adding sound effects or playing with the audio by adding like a bit of a low pass or a filter of some sort, like doing that will will make your video so much more dynamic, so much more interesting, that you can do